Hey everyone, in this video we're going to unbox some Happy Mail that I got from Studio Calico. This was part of the big sale they had. Everything on their website was 40% off. And I've been debating whether I should get the Studio Calico kit or not. So what I did was I finally took the plunge and I got my first kit for $10. You can use the code new kit, I believe it's new kit 10, and then you get your very first kit for $10. But first we're gonna see what I got from the 40% sale. And I got, okay, so this here first is I got a few inks. I know that I got a dark purple a few weeks ago, but I think one in this lavender soda color. And I love these inks. These are the ones that I use for my photos. And I also have lemon zest in cement, which is a light gray. And I got this washi. Let me see if I can take off. I don't think I'm going to be able to take off the washi. But I'll post the picture. And these are in a Creative Bubble die cuts. And I have no idea what this... Oh, I think this is like extra die cuts from the... I think it's called Kindred Spirits kit, and I got an extra set because it was like school related, so I still have to document the first day of school. And then I got the actual Kindred Spirits kit, and I got extra flip pockets, and I wish I gotten either the mixed one or the one with 4x6 because I was just putting photos on my album and I'm missing a bunch of those. I got this stamp set. The stamp sets were pretty inexpensive, and I just love the images from In a Creative Bubble, so I thought it would be perfect for me. This is just like a mystery label thing. It was only 60 cents, and I would say it's worth about that. This one is gaming puzzle and lots of things to play, and we do play a lot of games, so I wanted to get that one. And I got this stamp set because it had the numbers. I hate buying stamp sets without the numbers because I do a lot of Project Life, so this is perfect. And I love the font. It's so cute and fun. And this is the kit. It's been a while since I bought a Studio Calico kit. I have to say I like these pouches. Okay, so these are the die cuts that I showed earlier, so I'm not going to show them again. I think this is a sticker. Yeah, it's a huge sticker. These are the stamp sets, which I thought were so cute. And the chipboard stickers, also super cute. And they have a bunch of things there. It's kind of school related, but there is a lot of things that you can use for everyday life. All these phrases, most of them you can use for every day. I don't like this cutout thing. I wish they were stickers. Are they stickers or are they cutouts? Because whenever it comes like this, or at least last time I got them, yeah, they're cutouts. I don't know. I feel like they're not, perforation is not that deep, and you have to use scissors, and it's never clean enough, in my opinion. These stickers, no numbers, but super cute. These are the cards, and these are some wood veneers. And I've been neglecting with veneers lately, but hopefully these are pretty easy to use. And I can use the extreme adhesive on the back. That's just 4 of them. This one's really cute. Maybe I've used this one for a layout. And these are the cards. And I love the Studio Calico cards. I'm also waiting for the sale they do where all the digitals are $1. I always love those sales. I like to buy the cards, the digital stamps. Oh my god, this is impossible to open. Okay, and I love the sign language. Jeez, come out already. I love the sign language cards. Oh, and I forget how thick they are because most of the Studio Calico cards I've gotten lately are from the digital set. And I love all of these colors. And some of them are embossed. Lots of good ones for writing my journaling. I think, I have similar cards to this one, but it's not that one. Love this one. My daughter also loves to draw, and last year while she was doing school at home, she was writing a lot and making lots of drawings. So the pictures that I put in the album that I printed, a lot of them are little stories made by her, lots of drawings. So these are perfect for documenting that. I love this one. Oh, and this is so cute. Love these cards. Okay, so that kit was perfect, and it was on sale, so even more perfect. And this is the April kit. Like I said, lately they've been having so many cute kits that I've been on the fence about subscribing because I always think I have so many items already. But you know what? I'll do it for around 6 months, or at least that's my plan right now. We'll see. So each month I'm gonna try to post some process videos. So if you subscribe to the kit, you can also get some inspiration. I mean, their design team is amazing, so you can definitely check them out too. And there's 2 of each. Smart. I like that. Oh, I love that little guy with the heart belly, rainbow, like a shield. No one is you, and that is your superpower. I love that quote. Ups and downs, and more for journaling. And I love this stamp set. I think this was one of the things that made me get it for sure. It has the days of the week. You can back them with a solid or the outline, or you can use all of those. And it also says my week, this week, your week, days of the week, our week. So that's perfect for title cards. Okay, I think if I stamp on white ink on these, that should work. At least I hope so. And these are chipboard stickers. And I love lately how they've been adding, I don't know why I like the freaking bananas so much. Let's see if I can open this. There we go. I don't know what's up with me and bananas, but I love those. These stickers are also super cute and doodly. These alphas would be so perfect, but no numbers. kind of bummed about that, but it is what it is. It happens a lot, but I get it. Maybe not lots of people are doing Project Life, although this is the documentary kit. So if there is any kit that where it would be smart to put numbers, it should be this one. But maybe that's just me. Let me know how you feel about numbers, because I'm always like, the numbers. And these are the cards. I love this one. Stamps. This one I don't love that much, so I'll flip it. I made an effort. Real adult. X. XO. The little things in life. I love that font. Orange to glad. Smile. Starting off the morning right. The bananas again. The days of the weeks. Lemons. Today's a good day. Cards for journaling. It's okay if you have no idea where you are going. More journaling. I love these library-ish cards because I'm working off my book mini. Work hard and be kind. Yep. All day, every day. Sweet moments. Adulting to-do list. Go make today super magical. Flower. Adulting is like trying to fold a fitted sheet. You know, I can fold a fitted sheet. So whenever I feel bad about myself, I'll just remember that. Have a nice day. Things are what you make of them. Now and then. Clean something. Oh, I love this one with the cassettes. Another library-ish journaling card. Today, I love this font and the hearts. It's so cute. Here and there. Twilight Hard. Oh, what a world. And 24/7. And 4x6. Small victories. Oh, it's so cute with the ants. I wore real clothes today. Endlessly creating. Happy faces. Like a map one. Right where I want to be. Make a wish. These are really cute. I love, this one for my daughter. I have so many pictures of their coloring. Okay, so now I gotta clean up this mess that came out of a little box. And stay tuned for a video. I'm gonna keep them together so I can use the kit. I might add a few things here and there because you know how I love adding extra things that don't need to be added. But stay tuned and let me know which kit would you like to see first. And depending on that, because I want to use the kit made by the followers, which is the one that I'm going to film after I clean this up. And if you want to see their kindred spirits, or I don't know the name of this one, ups and downs, I'm going to say it is. Okay, the April kit or the kindred spirits. Let me know so I can keep on making. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!